In this video, I will demonstrate that how we can download the PDF from the ScienceDirect, then import of those PDF into the EndNote. There are It is necessary because there are many references for which EndNote cannot search the PDF files directly from the ScienceDirect. For that, I have first we have to click on the ScienceDirect. Then we should search according to our keyword. In this case, I want to search on the avian influenza epidemiology, and I'm searching it, and the references are appearing on the avian influenza. There is mistake in the spelling. There are more than 5,040 results that contains the review articles, research articles, encyclopedias, book chapters, then conference, abstract, book reviews, and like that. I'm interested only in the articles which are published in 2023. So I have clicked on that, and there are 236 results. And there is a limitation of the use of this option because by using the option of the Science Direct, we can only download 100 articles individually. Uh, I will show you in this on this page. There are 25 articles. I am clicking on the 100 articles, so 100 articles will be shown on this page, and I am sorting these references on the basis of the relevance, but published in 2023. And for that, I have clicked on all the references, and th- there are 100 articles which are selected. Now I am clicking on the download 100 articles here. Then this dialog box is open for me downloading a zip file containing 78 articles of 100 requested. Why 78 articles? Because my university or my database or my internet don't have access to all these 100 articles. I have access to the only 78 articles because librarians or the library of my university have subscribed to only these 78 articles. So these 78 articles are being downloaded, and the direction in my case for the download is that all the downloads, that may be folders, article, will be directly downloaded into the download option, download folder. Here you have you know that this folder is downloaded. Here recent downloads. I am opening this folder here. This is a folder which is downloaded right now from the ScienceDirect. Now it is a zip folder. I'm clicking it on. I'm creating a new folder and naming it as avian influenza. Then I have shifted this folder into avian influenza folder, and in this folder, and then all these PDF files, 78, and then I am exporting, extracting these PDF files from this folder. I'm extracting this downloaded folder, that is the zip folder. I'm extracting the uh, PDF files present in this folder as here. All these now you can see all these PDFs. The folder is extracted here, I am deleting the zip folder here. I am clicking on the ScienceDirect folder. So no, I want to import. The purpose of our discussion is that I want to import all these PDFs with one click into EndNote. For that, I'm going to the EndNote. In the file menu, I am clicking on the import, and here I want to import a folder, and this folder is for the import folder. This folder is present in the downloads. So here in the download, within the avian influenza, I want to click, I want to import this folder, Science Direct article. I'm clicking on it, OK, and then I want to import the PDF files which are present into this folder. And here is an option that I want to import all, or I want to discard the duplicates, or I want to import the duplicate library. Anything which you want, you can click here. In this case, I want to import all the PDFs present within this folder. So I'm clicking on the import. Here you will see an import have been started. And Node right now is importing the PDF files which are present within that specific folder for which we have given the path. It's little bit time consuming, so I am pausing the video for a few seconds. Now here you can see that import has been completed, and in this imported references tab there are 78 articles, and all the articles contains PDF. All the references contains the PDF files, full text files, and the references are generated by the EndNote by themselves by itself. There is an issue in this reference, in the reference, and for that I can click on the open PDF files, and by looking at the PDF files, I can correct this reference. Here, this PDF file is open, and as this PDF file don't contains a title and introduction, that may be one of the reasons that the citation is not completed within the or reference is not complete in the EndNote, and all the other references are completed here, are complete, and they contain the PDF files. So it is a little bit about how to import the PDF files or the folders containing the PDF into the EndNote. And if you have any question related to the import of the folder or files, please let me know. And simply comments in the comment section. I will try to answer that. Thank you so much.